Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by entering Advanced Recovery and getting a command prompt. This is where you act. Once booted to the prompt, confirm the system drive letter, often C, and locate the Windows folder. Then run the built-in bcdedit command to check boot entries and identify any auto repair or recovery agent entries. Make sure to back up the current boot configuration to a file before changes so you can restore it if something goes wrong. This preserves your fallback. Now you'll edit the boot configuration to stop automatic repair launching. First, run bcdedit/enum all to list entries and note the identifier for the problematic loader. Next, issue bcdedit/set identifier recovery enabled no to disable auto repair for that entry. If the entry references a recovery sequence file, rename the file with ren to prevent execution, but keep a copy by copying it elsewhere. Once done, clear any pending. Finish by restarting to confirm the system boots without triggering automatic repair. If Windows boots, you're done. Make sure to run chkdsk and sfc/scano to detect underlying issues that triggered repair. If it fails, return to the command prompt and restore the backup BCD file, or run bcdedit/set identifier recovery enabled yes to re-enable repair temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip. If edits break boot, use safe mode or system restore from advanced options to revert changes and preserve data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.